Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Spikeball Pro. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to know our final verdict if this Spikeball kit is worth it. Spikeball Pro Overview. If you are a serious and competitive player who wants to take your game to the next level, then Spikeball Pro is what you need. The set includes a Spikeball Pro frame and net, 2 Spikeball Pro balls, 1 ball pump, a gauge, and a storage backpack. Spikeball Pro comes with a sturdier body build to keep the set table and the nest taut, even in the most competitive and harshest plays. These balls have a new material and improved texture design that is used in providing more spin and control during plays. The non-slip rubber coatings added on the legs ensure your game stays secure on all surfaces, even indoors. You will find the backpack very durable, lightweight, and reliable whenever you need to transport the game. What we liked: it is suitable and well built for vigorous play. The improved texture design on the balls is great for topspin and drop shots. You can play on all surfaces or in any location. What we didn't like: the kit is quite costly compared to its counterparts. Features: a sturdier, stronger design. Spikeball Pro comes with a sturdier and stronger body that keeps the set table and net taut during plays. The set legs are less likely to bounce off the ground on hard hits, and the outer ring is less likely to warp. The non-slip rubber on the legs provides a more stable and secure playing surface. Enhanced backpack. The backpack is well padded and offers more storage space for the whole kit and extra space for personal items you might need like phones or keys. It is durable and lightweight for easy transport in case you want to play it at different locations. Improved ball design. The balls have a dimpled or textured surface. This feature allows better grip and ball control with different serves and hits. Who is Spikeball Pro best suited for? Spikeball Pro is best for a competitive player who has outgrown the original Spikeball set and requires a high-quality play surface that performs in a reliable manner. Verdict: should you get the Spikeball Pro? We would recommend this set, especially if you are a volleyball enthusiast. It is a great improvement to the original kit. Spikeball Pro kit is easy to set up, learn, and play, which is an added advantage. The sturdier build would give you peace of mind while you're playing, since the game is more secure and the balls are better to hit and control. Being a great player will require you to practice more, especially on the starter kit, as you work your way to the Pro kit. If you just need to play for fun, you don't need the Pro kit. Thanks for watching.